Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today I will review about a new upcoming iPhone. This is a iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 models will likely be released in September 2023 if Apple follows its traditional September launch timeline. Pricing. Unverified rumors from Weibo have suggested the iPhone 15 Pro models could be more expensive, creating a larger gap between the price of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Plus. RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro models could feature an increased 8GB RAM, according to Taiwanese research firm TrendForce. Current iPhone 14 Pro models offer 6GB RAM. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 15 Pro models will use the same LPDDR5 memory that is in the current iPhone 14 Pro models, with no notable updates coming until the iPhone 16, with Apple set to upgrade to LPDDR5X memory in 2024. At a glance, the 2023 iPhone 15 models are expected to feature USB-C instead of Lightning, solid-state volume and power buttons, new camera technology, and more. Rumored features: 6.1 and 6.7-inch sizes. Dynamic island for all models. Periscope zoom lens. USB-C port. Qualcomm modem chip. Design. Rumors suggest the iPhone 15 models will look similar to the iPhone 14 models, but the pill and hole cutout will expand to the entire lineup. That means all iPhone 15 models will have no notch, instead adopting the dynamic island introduced in the iPhone 14 Pro models. As there are no major design changes expected, Apple will likely continue to offer four models: the 6.1-inch iPhone 15, the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro, the 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Max, and the 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Pro models will have higher-end features and will be more expensive, while the standard iPhone 15 models will be cheaper. Titanium chassis and curved edges. The iPhone 15 models could also have curved front glass, but they are not expected to have slimmer bezels. Rather than stainless steel, the iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to use a titanium frame, which has been rumored by several sources at this point. Titanium is used for the Apple Watch Ultra, and it is lighter and more durable than stainless steel. It is, however, also more expensive. Solid-state volume and power buttons. The iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to feature solid-state volume and power buttons that would be similar to the home button in the iPhone 7 and the Force Touch trackpad on MacBooks. As of now, the iPhones use a mechanical button that physically depresses, but the solid-state button would use haptic feedback to instead mimic the feel of a button press. If Apple does add solid-state buttons, the iPhone 15 Pro models could have two additional Taptic engines at the left and right sides of the device. The two new Taptic engines would join the existing Taptic engine. A solid-state design could perhaps protect against water ingress, but it would likely require new iPhone case designs that offer physical access to the volume and power buttons at all times. Data transfer speeds. The iPhone 15 Pro models with USB-C ports will support higher speed data transfer speeds, while the standard iPhone 15 models will continue to feature USB 2.0 speeds, the same as Lightning. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 15 Pro models will support at least USB 3.2 or Thunderbolt 3. With the upgrade, iPhone 15 Pro models would be able to transfer video and other file types at much quicker speeds. USB 2.0 transfer speeds are limited to 480 megabits per second, while USB 3.2 supports speeds up to 20 gigabits per second. If Apple offers Thunderbolt 3 support for the iPhone 15 Pro models, data transfer speeds could be up to 40 gigabits per second. Periscope camera lens technology. Periscope lens technology offers optical zoom capabilities that exceed those possible with a standard telephoto lens, allowing for 5x or even 10x optical zoom. With a periscope lens, the iPhone's zoom capabilities would be significantly enhanced as the current Pro models are limited to 3x zoom. With a periscope lens, light is reflected by an angled mirror toward the image sensor in the camera. The directional shift allows for a folded telephoto lens system for improved optical zoom capabilities without the blurriness that comes with digital zoom. Apple competitor Samsung has come out with smartphones that use periscope lens technology that enables 4x to 10x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple will implement 6x optical zoom technology when it adopts the periscope lens. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.